Okay.
Right, wait. When I say, open the door and you tease with it. Hang on, whoa. Get back from the door. When I say, right.
You're gonna have to.
Come on, yeah, got it. Mate, step away from the door. Step away from the door. I'm not going to get any money by that.
No.
Look, mate, listen. All we need to do is put the knives down. Just put the knives down, mate. Alright? What's that? Just put the knives down, pal. Come on. Let's put the knives down. Alright? No. Don't come at us with knives. No, don't put us with knives. No, don't put us down with knives. I can't get a shot by it, Red. Alright, now. Taser! Get down! Right, hold it! One dog. Legs down. Listen. Alright, calm. Dog's fine. Dog is absolutely fine. Dog is alright. Calm down. Listen. Calm down. Calm down. Alright? Okay? You okay? Dog is fine. Dog is absolutely fine. Okay? Mate, listen. No, you've been tasered because you were going with yourself with a knife. Alright, mate? It's for your safety. We can't do that. Alright? Listen. 14-11, no. Yeah, regarding this call to clear, mate has been tasered. Is it? It's all in order. He's in custody. Knives are off him. All under control. Can you get a van to our location?